I'm Matt Slee, I work at UK Guitar Builders and I'm the General Manager here. We are the UK's leading guitar manufacturer for electric guitars. We manufacture for multiple different brands who distribute them all around the world, and we do it all here in Pocklington in York. Dust's a real big problem for us. Without the correct ventilation, we would have it in all departments. For health and safety reasons, in our sanding room we use a dust blocker so that it doesn't get inhaled by our employees, and we use a dust blocker in spray so that it collects all the dust and doesn't end up in the finishes, because if they're spraying guitars and they end up with dust in the finish, they have to sand it all back and start again. It can be really problematic.
Doing the job I do, dust can be a very big problem. Obviously, a lot of wood, a lot of sanding, it can get in the product, it can damage the wood, it can scratch the wood, it can also get into my lungs obviously. Before extraction, workstations were dusty, clothes were dusty, hair was dusty. It's a very dusty area to be in.
Having the dust blocker and good extraction, the benefits are that our employees are safe, we're kept up to date with health and safety laws, and that the quality of our products is improved by the processes that we're following now with the dust blocker.
It's changed my job dramatically. Just looking at how much dust it collects on a daily basis is massive. It really does clean the air. You know, and it just cleans up that fine air that you just can't see. Maintaining the dust blocker is a very easy job in the workshop. The outer filter gets changed very regularly, and we can see every time we change it how much dust is actually being brought into that filter. The dust blocker is hugely beneficial in the workspace. You can guarantee clean air, clean clothes and clean lungs.
When working with wood, the health and safety benefits are by far the best thing about the dust blocker for us. To stop the inhalation into our employees' lungs is a huge thing.
Having seen on a daily basis how much dust gets sucked into the dust blocker, I can say that it's hugely beneficial. Other businesses should definitely consider having a dust blocker in the workshop. If you like clean air, clean workspaces, I would recommend anyone to buy the MAXVAC Dustblocker if you work in a dusty environment and require clean air.